is all we've got right here, right now. We don't know how much we have left in the future, but we do know what we've got now.
95% of the people live their entire life and never live the way they want to live.
Irukum, an island village located in state divisional border of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. This village is surrounded by Pulket Lake, which is a sanctuary for migratory birds. The village is accessible only by boats. This village is isolated due to no other means of transport. The social production elements involving the village are paddy cultivation, fishing, which is majority of the often occupation, lime production by collection of seashells, cattle grazing,
அன்றாண்டைக்கு வாழ்வதெல்லாம் எங்களுக்கு படிப்படியாக குறைஞ்சி போச்சு. இன்றைக்கி விலைவாசிகள் உயர்ந்து கொண்டே இருக்குது. அதை பயன்படுத்துறதுக்கு எங்களுக்கு இன்றைக்கி பல விலையும் ஏறிக்கொண்டு இருக்குது. மீன் விலை ஏறும்.
சுனாமி வந்ததுனால மீன் வளம் கம்மியாகி போச்சு.
హాస్పిటల్ మించాడు ఎత్తుపోయే గాలికి
బోట్లు కూడా
బిడ్డ